Hi, grade 8. I want to send home some art supplies with you this week. We're going to jump ahead of ourselves a couple of weeks in the unit, but this is something you can be working on at home, and I think it's something that will bring you joy at home to work on. So at the gate, there is going to be a time where you can stop by and pick up an art kit. Miss Lay will be there to sign it out for you. This is what it looks like. You have a hoop. This is an embroidery hoop. And you have this little kit. When you arrive at the gate, there will be some instructions to follow. The first instruction: for all of our safety, including yours, we're going to wash our hands. And you should be washing your hands with soap and water at least 30 times per day. So I'm just gonna wash my hands right now. And then, step 2, you're going to make sure you have a Ziploc bag with 1 needle, 1 cloth, and 2 cotton threads, and 1 hoop. Now let me show you what those are. We have the hoop, the embroidery hoop. In here you have a couple of threads. It doesn't matter what colors they are. We just put a variety of colors, but we make sure everybody has 2. We have a yellow sticker here. This means that the yellow is for yellow class. You'll write your name on here. And you have a white piece of cloth that will go into the embroidery hoop. You can watch the first tutorial video that I sent you to learn about that. And something very important for both the hoop and the needle in here, we only have 1 per student. So you want to make sure to take good care of your needle and good care of your hoop. Don't lose this. Miss Lay put a piece of blue tack on all of the needles to help you have a place to put it so it won't disappear. But keep track of this and keep track of this. So you'll sign this out. Step 3, write your name on the sticker. So right on the front sticker, this is for the yellow class. We have a sticker tape for each class. And then, step 4, check them out with Miss Lay. Enjoy and thank you. See you soon. Hope you're well.